You open Outlook and Microsoft Outlook has stopped working. You reopen it and it crashes again and again. Here's the part most people miss. When Outlook keeps crashing like this, the problem often isn't Outlook itself. It's a damaged PST data file underneath it. In this video, I'll show you how to confirm it's your PST file and how to fix it with Stellar's free online tool for smaller files or Stellar Repair for Outlook for bigger ones. I've tested both, so let me walk you through it. Before we touch your data file, rule out the easy causes. It might be one of these. First, open Outlook in safe mode. Press Windows+R, type Outlook/safe, and hit Enter. If it opens fine in safe mode, a faulty add-in is likely the culprit. Disable add-ins one by one to find it. But if Outlook still crashes in safe mode, or crashes the moment it tries to load your mailbox, that points to the PST file itself. That's what we'll fix next. The next thing people try is Microsoft's built-in tool, ScanPST. For light corruption, it can work. But on a file that's crashing Outlook, ScanPST often runs for hours, fails partway, or repairs the file only for it to crash again. It also can't show you what it recovered before you commit. For a file bad enough to crash Outlook, you want a tool built for deeper repair. The fastest fix is Stellar's online PST repair. It runs in your browser, nothing to install, and it's free to start. Go to repair.stellarinfo.com/outlook and click Repair PST File. Sign in with Google in one click, or use your email and password, and if you're new, hit Sign Up. The free plan repairs one PST file up to 500 megabytes at no cost, no credit card needed. Just upload your file to begin. Once uploaded, click Start Repair. The tool scans the file, finds the corrupted areas, and rebuilds them automatically, all in a secure, fully automated environment with no human touch points. When it's done, you can preview your recovered folders and item counts right in the browser, before downloading. That's the part ScanPST can't do. You see your mailbox is intact first. Then download the repaired PST and save it somewhere new, not over the original. If your PST is very large or so damaged the online tool can't take it, the desktop software, Stellar Repair for Outlook, is the heavier duty fix. Point it at your PST or let it locate the file and click Repair. You get a full 3-pane preview, folders, message list, and the full message with attachments, so you can check everything before saving. It handles multiple files with no size limit, brings back deleted items, contacts, calendars, and tasks, and runs entirely on your own machine. Your data never leaves your computer. So which do you need? If your file is under 500 megabytes, the free online plan will likely fix it. For a larger file up to 5 gigabytes, the premium online plan is $29.99 per file. And if it's a big, business-critical mailbox, or the kind of corruption that's crashing Outlook hard, go straight to the desktop software. No size limit, multiple files, fully local. With your repaired PST ready, import it back into Outlook. File, then open and export, then import-export. Choose Import from another program or file, pick Outlook data file, select your repaired file, and finish. Your mail, contacts, calendars, and attachments are back. Folder structure intact, and Outlook should open cleanly again. Both options are linked below. For a quick fix, start free at repair.stellarinfo.com/outlook. For large or severe files, use Stellar Repair for Outlook. If this saved you a headache, like and subscribe.